Hello everyone, this is Bipin back again with another video, and in this video I'll be talking about how would I start learning to code in 2023 if I was a fresher. If you are also trying to learn to code and you may be confused or procrastinating on things like how should I get started, where should I learn programming, which language should I learn first. So I have all covered it up in this video. So let's get started with our topic. Which language should you learn as your first programming language? I'm a firm believer that programming language doesn't matter if you were able to know the basics of any programming language. So if you want to act cool within your friends, then you can choose Rust as a programming language. And if you want to work on big tech companies, then you need to learn some old programming language like Java, C++, because you will be hired to maintain the legacy code. And if you are interested in learning AI or machine learning, then Python can be a preferable language for you. But if you want all of these things like me, then you can always learn JavaScript. JavaScript can be used in both front-end and back-end development. So if you are interested in front-end, you have options like React, Angular, Vue, and thousands of other frameworks introduced daily. And for backend also you can use Node.js, and it also have multiple frameworks. So these two tools are enough for you to build a simple web application. And if you are good enough and able to copy some code from Stack Overflow or very own ChatGPT, then congratulations, you are now a full stack developer. So basically I was saying that if I was starting out again, then my main programming language will be JavaScript, because the learning curve of JavaScript is very high for the beginners, because it is simple to learn and you will get the knowledge of front-end development and back-end development. You can build a whole project yourself, and you can turn your ideas into project, which is one of the main thing which can drive beginners to, which can give a motivation for beginners to learn something new. And if you were able to do that, you can easily get into the market and get some junior role of JavaScript developer or web developer. And if you are not able to do that, you can join in some internship program and learn from the industry expert and your seniors, and get the valuable information which any YouTube videos will not be able to provide. So if you were able to master this language and know the basics of this programming language, then switching to any other programming language will be just a piece of cake for you, because there are always similarities and you just need to find out the syntax of another language. Now the language thing is sorted. Another thing is, where should you learn it? I highly recommend people and freshers to read the official documentation and learn from it. But if you are like me, you may not want to read the documentation and want some videos or other easy ways to learn it. So I highly recommend to read the docs. But if you want to watch the videos, then there are multiple videos on YouTube for free. You can just you can just search them and then start learning from any of the YouTuber. I'm also planning to roll out the videos about React, Node.js, and building a project and deploying it to a live server. And if you are interested in learning with me, then you can subscribe to this channel. I will be rolling this video sooner. And if you comment down below and pressurize me, then I will try to roll out the video even faster. So basically what we will do is first learn about the React concept and then build a project with it, then learn about Node.js and build a project so we can connect the front end and back end, and In the backend, we can also learn about database like MongoDB or MySQL. So there is many things to learn. So if you are interested in learning with me and you know basics of JavaScript already, then you are qualified to learn with me. I hope you are clear now about what should you learn and where should you get started. And I hope you're interested in learning React and Node.js with me. So I am looking forward to this. But this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.